This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the car safe. Park level, chalk wheels, and disconnect the battery so electronics won't short. Once done, drain the transmission fluid to reduce mess and raise the vehicle on rated stands. You will now remove the drive shaft or CV axles and the starter to access the bell housing. Make sure to label fasteners as you go. Support the transmission with a jack and unbolt the transmission mount. This is the first major step towards separating the gearbox from the engine. You should now separate the gearbox from the engine carefully. Loosen bell housing bolts in a star pattern to avoid binding, and lower the transmission just until you can slide it back a few inches. Once the gearbox is clear, inspect the clutch fork, release bearing, and pilot bearing. These parts often determine longevity. Remove the pressure plate bolts progressively and take out the clutch disc, noting its orientation. Check the flywheel for heat spots or warping, so you can decide whether to resurface or replace. You install the new clutch by using a proper alignment tool to center the disc. This ensures smooth gearbox input shaft entry. Once centered, bolt the pressure plate evenly and torque to manufacturer specs. Make sure to install a new release bearing and any replaced pilot bearing. Reattach the transmission, secure mounts, reconnect the drive shaft or axles, starter, and wiring. Finally, bleed the clutch hydraulic system, set pedal free play, and test for leaks. If you hear grinding or feel clutch slip, recheck alignment and torque.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.